Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Friday, September 19th, 2025. Fairblock introduces its confidential DeFi app on Arbitrum. Optimism announces an incremental approach to superchain interop, and FG Nexus holds nearly 50,000 Ether. All this and more starts right now. Fairblock, a confidential execution protocol, introduced Fair Rates, its fixed-rate lending platform powered by Arbitrum Stylus. The implementation uses Stylus to run Rust-based cryptographic operations that keep sensitive computations verifiable yet private on-chain. Fairblock introduces protective trading, where orders and auctions are encrypted until execution, ensuring fair price discovery. Fair Rates uses leaderless sealed bid auctions to establish a single clearing rate, allowing borrowers and lenders to interact without slippage, manipulation, or reliance on a central auctioneer. The bids are submitted in encrypted form, and once the auction closes, validators decrypt them collectively using multi-party computation and threshold identity-based encryption. Arbitrum Stylus is a versatile programming environment for writing smart contracts using WebAssembly. Optimism is rolling out Upgrade 16A, a maintenance update that temporarily removes interop withdrawal proving code introduced in Upgrade 16. The change follows concerns from Optimism partners aiming to ensure stability while interop features remain under development. Upgrade 16A also introduces system-level feature toggles, enabling safer chain-specific rollouts, and paves the way for future upgrades towards native superchain interop. The withdrawal proving code was initially introduced in Upgrade 16 to prepare the network for superchain interop by Upgrade 17. Upgrade 16A is scheduled for activation on October 2nd, pending governance approval, which is currently in progress. And lastly, FG Nexus, a public Ethereum digital assets treasury company, announced that it holds 49,715 ETH, valued at approximately $229 million. According to the company's CEO of digital assets, Ethereum remains the premier programmable asset for institutional reserves. FG Nexus plans to use proceeds from stock sales to acquire additional ETH and engage in staking, restaking, liquid staking, and DeFi strategies with the goals of increasing its ETH per share. FG Nexus is listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker FGNXP and currently ranks as the 14th largest corporate holder of Ether. In other news, Fileverse supports passkey login for its decentralized docs application. The stablecoin supply on Ethereum hits a new all-time high of 170 billion, and Bitmine purchases an additional 15,000 Ether. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.